a very hot summer. Forecast of good monsoon and even of cyclone. Different kind of disease. So many negative elements. But still we are talking about gain. Yes. Why? Because we did lots of sacrifice. Now it's our time. Apna time aayega. Yes. Mind well, it will be your time almost after 5 to 7 years. Yes, it will be your time, bachche log. See, I am not saying on that basis that do study hard, but do whatever you want to do in the best possible way. Whatever you want to do, but do it in such a way that nobody can beat you. Go into depth. Okay? Recently, I heard a news. I told you even also so many times that you must have a habit to go through newspapers. Yes, newspapers every day at least for half an hour or so. I am having that kind of habit since long. Just before a day or two, I read a news that an Indian, you know that very well, I am not going to disclose any names, not needed. If you want to, you can also go through the newspaper of last 2-3 days. An Indian is going to receive 1 lakh US dollar. That is approximately 75 lakh rupees. Do you know for what? No, it's not lottery. It's not bonus. It's an achievement. He's not doing job in any of the US company, but he's crazy about cell phones, mobile. And he find a security bug in a very well known company's cell phone, a security bug. He informed the company that I find this. Company checked it by their own. They realized it's correct. They improved by removing that, and for that, company awarded that person with 1 lakh US dollar. An Indian, but a crazy Indian. You must be crazy. You must be crazy. You must love your subject. Whenever someone asks you, what about your hobbies? Then you must have, see, normally what we used to say, playing cricket, watching movie, reading, see picnic and tours and etc., photography, all this we used to say. આપણામાંથી કોઈ academic subject ની વાત નથી કરતા. Okay, suppose you say photography. Then what do you know about it? In depth. Like one of the case of 3 Idiots. Yes. If you are crazy about anything, definitely if you spend 5, 7, 10, 12 hours for that, તમે 10 કલાક એ ટોપિક પાછળ કામ કરો, still you are not feeling, oh, I'm tired. Yes, that's craziness. So I suggest again that it will be your world. So have some craziness for 2-3 matters. So options are available for you. Okay? You can choose accounts, you can choose statistics or any of the academic subject or anything else. But if you choose any of the subject which is not connected with academics, then please do take care. To study properly is needed almost everywhere. Because mark sheet is a different case, but the knowledge you are getting is entirely a different thing. And that's why we people are not giving only bookish knowledge. Only bookish knowledge. In books, you will never find such words that it will be your world. But I am saying, yes, I am saying, after 5 years, after 7 years, it will be India's world. No, as an Indian I am saying, but the fact is, even recent news, let me share with you, recent news, world best mobile companies, Apple, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, all companies are very keen, are very eager to establish their production units in India. This I am talking about today's news. Yes, today's news, not even given in the newspaper. I just got that news before 1 hour from an app. Yes, and it's trustworthy. Just imagine. World best companies are eager to establish their production units in India because they are having huge market share in India. Okay? And you know that if they are going to establish their units, our Indians are going to get employment. You got the long-term effect? That's what I am saying. It will be your world. Even you should not imagine that what amount I should demand as salary or what amount I am going to get by establishing a business. You should not imagine because it's not possible. Sky is the limit. And it's not motivating words only. Again, you can record these words. Mark my words, it will be your word. But if you wish, if you work for that, across the India, we are having more than 125, 130 crores, only one, and we all are having mobile. We all are crazy for that, we can say. Only one Indian succeed to find that security bug. Why? Because he is mad after it. Pagalpan થઈ જવું જોઈએ. Okay? So try to have that courage to see big dreams, sky is the limit, and start doing journey to achieve it. It will be a long-term task. It will not be a short-term task. Okay? Let's start solving questions. In last session, as I say, we discussed about gaining ratio, the meaning of it. Now let's start gaining by solving the practical questions. Question number 7, which is given on page number 139. The question is somewhat like that. Deepak, Nilesh and Pratik are partners of a partnership firm. 3 partners. The profit sharing ratio is 1:2:3. 1:2:3. First of all, they told you to find out gain. So here the factor as usual. Gain. Okay. Old ratio. As I said yesterday, as I said in my last session of sacrifice also, that do take care while writing old ratio and new ratio. Here old ratio is 1:2:3, which is decided to change to 2:2:1. So 1:2:3, total 6. They decided to change the ratio to how much? What the new ratio should be? 2:2:1. total 5. They say that we have to find out gain from the given information. What they say? Under these circumstances, calculate what gain is received by which partner. Clear? The names are Deepak, Nilesh and Pratik. So let's continue. First of all, the formula. Gain equals to, when the partner is getting new ratio more than old, it is gain. You can write the word share also over here. First of all, again as I said last time, you must go through chronological order because it's connected with the ratios. So if you take first partner's name second or second partner's name first, the entire question will be wrong. Okay? So Deepak, then Nilesh, and then Pratik. Deepak, Nilesh, and Pratik. For Deepak, let's do the calculation. For Deepak, new ratio minus old ratio. Here 2 by 5 for Nilesh minus 2 by 6, and for Pratik 1 by 5 minus 3 by 6. Chalo, do the calculation. Just simple LCM and try to find the answer. See, you should not waste time. Huh? If you don't know the perfect shortcuts of LCM, in that case also, you should try to do it with normal method but speedily. How to do? Let's start. 30. 6 2s are 12 minus 5. So 7 upon 30. Again 30, denominator. 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10. So 2 upon 30. The last one, that is 30 as usual. 6 1s are 6, 5 3s are 15, overall minus 9 upon 30. Is it clear? Okay. So net. Here Deepak's gain, because we are finding gain and his answer is in positive. So Deepak's gain equals to 7 upon 30. Second one is Nilesh gain equals to 2 upon 30. And now you can write Pratik's. If you write gain, then minus must be there. If you write sacrifice, then it should not be minus, then it should be plus. Here we are writing gain only. But you can write sacrifice also if you want to convert this into positive. Minus 9 upon 30. Okay? This is the entire answer. Just go through the entire question first, then the solution. First of all question, go through the question properly, then the entire solution with LCM and everything. If you have any doubt, any queries, just revised yourself because here nothing new. આમાં કંઈ tough નથી, કંઈ અઘરું નથી, ના સમજાયું નથી. Here it's a matter of simple calculation. Okay? If you don't feel that shortcuts are easy, તમને એવું ન લાગે shortcuts માં, so this is the most simple method of LCM. You can stick to it. Okay? See, very important thing is your answer must be 100% correct and in time. કદાચ બીજા કોઈ ડિફરન્ટ પેટર્ન થી કરતા હોય તો ડોન્ટ ફીલ લાઈક ધેટ કે આપણને કેમ ના આવડે. ઓકે, ઇટ્સ ઓકે. They are applying shortcut and we are not applying. Still, almost there is no difference in even time limit and the correctness of the answer. Clear? Yeah. One thing let me tell you, even if you are applying any of the shortcut of doing this LCM, please take care. Just after writing this, directly don't write the answers. Okay? Directly don't write the answer. If you write 2 by minus 1 by 6, 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6 equals to 7 upon 30, then it is not proper. Then it is not proper. Do take care. Our mistakes tamari thari જોઈએ નહીં. Because if you are not showing the calculations properly, paper checker may have some doubt. And you know that. What do we mean by saying some doubt? Okay? Is there any problem? Sure? Check twice and then tell me. If not, if you don't have any problem, then let's continue with the next question. Question number 8. Again, naturally, very short question. So on the same page. For sacrifice, you sold illustration 1, 2 and 3. Naturally, for gain, the next illustration. I'm talking about illustration, not the exercise question. Okay? Next illustration, you can continue with illustration 4, illustration 5, and so on. And after gain, you know that very well we are going to start with a topic of journal entry. But after completing this, what is the question for question number 8? What is the question? The question is, Raju, Harsu and Sanju are the partners of a partnership firm. The P&L ratio is 5:4:3. The P&L ratio means we are finding gain, old ratio, it is 5:4:3. 5, 4, 3. So the total is 12. Okay? What they said further? All the partners have decided to change their P&L ratio to 2:2:1. So new ratio is 2:2:1. Total very simple 5. Now take care. If they told you to find out gain, and if you are doing the entire question with the formula of sacrifice, we will give you just a big 0. You have to sacrifice everything. You are not going to gain. Okay? So please read the question properly. Here what they say in question 8, all the partners have decided to change the P&L ratio to 2:2:1. From this information, find out gain. From this information, find out gain. So here, gain equals to old ratio minus 9. Okay, the actual should be new ratio minus old ratio. You will get 0 only if you write like this. New share you can write, new ratio you can write. New share minus old share. Okay? The names of the partner again the same as I say in almost all the questions. Raju, Asu and Sanju. Let's do the calculation for each partner, each and every one. New share 2 by 5 minus old share 5 upon 12. Okay? For Asu, again 2 upon 5 minus 4 upon 12. And for Sanju, 1 upon 5 minus 3 upon 12. Now again it's your duty. Do proper calculation. Yes, very quickly, but do take care. Very quickly, my mistake na tha. Again, if you don't know anything, apply the same pattern, nothing else. Multiplication of denominator, and then cross multiplication of first digit of numerator with denominator. Second, yes. Okay? So first for Raju, what it will be? Show Aushan. Yes. 12 5s are 60. Denominator is 60. And 2 12s are 24 or 12 2s are in your language, let's say. So here it is 60 24 minus 25. Okay? Over here. Let's clear that first. So it is minus 1 upon 60. Minus 1 upon 60. Here it is. Again 24 minus 20. So 4 upon 60. Clear? Here minus 1. Here plus 4. What should be? As I say, last time I am saying, the net effect must be 0. न समझातो હોય તો છેલ્લી ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી છે +7 +2 overall +9 -9. So net impact is big 0. Same way -1 +4. So now what should be next to get 0? Let's try. If we committed any mistake, we can come to know by applying this kind of tricks. 12 ones are 12 minus 15. So minus 3 upon 60. Minus 1 minus 3. Overall total minus 4. And here it is plus 4. Is there any problem? Check it once, twice, because on board, this may be the last question for you. Yes, I am going to give you 1 or 2 exercise question in homework. So again I am saying, again I am requesting, do check twice. Now to tick marks kare lo. Because it's a matter of very much valuable 3 marks. Yes, 3 marks you are going to get. So, -1, -3. the trick. Just apply it properly. If you have any doubt, any questions, again you can ask me freely. Bindas. Here, Asu's amount is positive. So gain. And these two are practically sacrificing because their gain is negative. Okay? Final answer. Final answer. Raju's gain equals to minus 1 upon 60. Okay? Asu's gain equals to 4 upon 60 and Sanju's gain equals to minus 3 upon 60. Is it clear? See, over here, if you do 4 upon 60, if you do 1 upon 15, if you cancel the digits, 4 upon 60 or 3 upon 60, let's say, if you cancel the digits, it will create a problem. Yes, it will create a problem. Because here, then what happened? Minus 1 upon 60, then 1 upon 15. If you cancel, then minus 2 or rather minus 1 upon 20 if you cancel it. So don't play anything with denominators. Don't do anything. Even at last, કદાચ અહીંયા 120 હોય, કદાચ અહીંયા 200 હોય, let it be. I am not going to cut your marks, and I am not does not mean Darpan sir. Paper checker is not going to cut your marks. Okay? So don't play anything with the denominator. But just check one thing. The denominator must be same. And plus minus amount must be net 0. Minus 1, minus 3 and plus 4. Is that clear? Sure. This was question number 8. Okay. Now exceptionally, no chance, I don't think so, but still 0.1% may be possible. You will have a paper setter like me. Setter like me. In that case, it's possible that we may ask sacrifice and gain both in one single question. Both in one single question. You feel, sir, how is it possible? Don't worry. It's nothing else, just laborious work. Just laborious work. Means, feel surprised now. Even I cannot find sacrifice and gain simultaneously. So if I ask a question like that, it means I asked two questions with same data. Followed? First, you have to apply this data and find out gain. You got this? Then you have to reverse the formula. The data will remain same. Sacrifice equals to old ratio minus new ratio. पहला gain आपको complete करना है. Then sacrifice formula. Sacrifice equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay? So for Raju, 5 by 12 પહેલા આવી જશે. 2 by 5 પછી. 5 by 12 minus 2 by 5. Answer will be plus 1 by 60. What I wanted to say, very very simple, yeah. You must understand. Minus છે plus માં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જશે, plus છે minus માં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જશે. બાકી no change in any of the data, any of the calculation. Here it will be 25 minus 24. Here it will be 20 minus 24. Here it will be 15 minus 12 if you are finding sacrifice. બરાબર? માત્ર એક ટાઈપની મજૂરી જ કરવાની છે. It's a laborious work. Let me also wish that you will not have that kind of question. But if you are having, don't take tension. Nothing new is there in this formula or methods. Okay? This was question number 8. Now, as a part of little bit practice, homework, you have to do question number 9. Clear? Please do this question with both the formulas. Means 2 times you have to do question 9. You can write question 9a. Sacrifice. Do by applying sacrifice formula. Then question 9b. Gain. The same question but by applying gain formula. Okay? And obviously the illustrations number 4, 5, 6, etc. of gain. Here we are ending this topic of sacrifice and gain. Let me wish in board exams they ask you either sacrifice or gain. If they ask, you are just supposed to do this much or this much, because you will not have more than 3 partners in the question. If 2 partners, even it becomes more easier. But if 3 partners, then this much work and you will receive full 3 marks. But please take care. Don't forget to take 1 MCQ and 1 BSQ with you. Okay? So, net you must receive full 5 marks out of 5 from this chapter. Now, only one method for short question remaining. That is journal entry. No, I'm not going to disclose the things. But if you are having faith, 100% faith રાખજો, because you will surprised that journal entry topic is lot more easier even than this. આના કરતા easy લાગશે journal entry. Okay? So solve all these things and be ready to solve the last topic, not of this chapter, but last topic for short questions. That is journal entry. We are going to discuss it in detail in our next session. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.